Okay, let's open up our new shipment of our PlayStation 5 that we just received. We originally ordered it from Amazon, and we placed an order, a reserved order, that they would ship it as soon as they became available, and it just arrived. So anytime you're opening using a utility knife, you want to make sure that you're being very safe and set it out of the way after you've used it. Obviously, Amazon does its thing with the boxes, so when we receive it, we take it out of the box, and as you can see, we have our PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless recorder. Set the Amazon box aside. The purpose of what we're doing today is just to unbox it and see what comes with the new PlayStation 5 controller. Now obviously, if you've ordered a PlayStation 5 system, this is going to come with the system, but for my purposes, I ordered just the controller, because what we're going to do in future episodes is take the wireless controller for PlayStation 5 and see if we can convert it, hack it, whatever you want to call it, to where it can be used to control a robot. Now, we've had some success in the past doing that with PS2s, PS3s, and PS4s. And since the PS5 is just now coming out, obviously it becomes a project for us to see if we can port it to the Arduino, code it, and get it to operate with our robot. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what comes with it. First, we want to unseal it. Again, being very, very careful. Set all our packing material aside. And the box inside the box. They do ship it, they do pack it well to make sure it's not damaged. Open it up. Set the packing material aside, make sure there's nothing down inside of it. Comes in a protective case. And there is our PS5 controller. Inside we also have a set of instructions that talks about a variety of different things in a variety of different languages. It gives you the schematic for the unit. It tells you what each thing is, in a couple different languages, as you can tell. Let's take a look at the actual unit, setting instructions aside. It looks obviously like any PS controller in the past, but there are some changes, and some of the options that have been added to the PS5, replacing some of the things that were in the earlier controller systems, and coming up with some new things as well. And in future episodes we will be discussing those and determining how we code each one of the joysticks, the buttons, and the touchpads. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward as far as what was included in the box, and this is available on Amazon, and I will put a link to that on Amazon, so it's available on the YouTube channel. So there we go. Looks like a pretty straightforward unit, and now we'll get started looking at what code we can use from the PS4, what we need to adjust, and what we need to create new.